What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're gonna finally be upgrading the garage lighting. We're gonna be getting rid of these old light fixtures here, and we're gonna be upgrading to this. All right, so these are obviously a lot brighter than what I had in here before. These are the Barrina T5 6500K light fixtures. These things are super easy and super bright, guys. I'll show you guys step by step on what I did to replace this old fixture here, and it takes literally no time, guys. Okay, guys, this is what you're gonna be getting in your pack of 6. You'll be getting 6 of these power cords. This plugs into the outlet at your house. If you have one in the ceiling up there where your garage is, you can power the lights using that. But if you don't have one of those, you can use this. This is the hardwire kit. This is what we'll be using. I'll show you how I set mine up. It's really easy, guys. Nothing to it. Just make sure you cut the power off. So we'll be doing this later. You get 6 of these. These are basically what ties the lights together. You can space them apart this far, however far apart you want to space them. Use those. And these are what you use to connect 2 lights together. So these just plug into the ends and then you plug them together. We'll be using these as well. And then this is the hardware you get to mount the lights to the ceiling. These are really simple, guys. Basically, you get the screw, you screw this into the ceiling, and the light clips in here, and that's what holds it. 2 of these will hold 1 light fixture. So you get 1 pack for each light in the package. But these guys, this is what I used to power my old light fixture that I had up here, and I used the switch as a workbench light. So I'll be showing you guys how I did that. That way you guys don't have to throw these away. You can reuse these guys. So stay tuned for that. That'll be later in the video. But for now, let's go ahead and shut off the power to that light there and take it apart. And I'm going to show you guys how to wire the new lights and set them up and how easy it is. And that works. Also, guys, before we get started, we're going to want a cutaway section of this insulation here back so we can get some more room on these wires to hardwire into the ceiling. So we're going to need to get a razor blade here, and we're going to need to cut some of this back and pull that off, and kind of go ahead and get some wire strippers here. And so basically what you want to do is hook up the black to the black, the white to the white, and then the green and yellow hooks up to the solid, just the bare ground wire. So that's how I hooked mine, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just put these back in here. And all right, guys, you're also gonna want to stop by your local hardware store. I got this at Home Depot. It's this blank cover that's gonna go over the existing hole where we take out the electrical right there, where this wire will have to come through. I'm just gonna get a hammer, and I'm gonna get a screwdriver, and I'm just going to come over here and just hit it like this. There you go. We can run our wires through here like this, and there you go, guys. We're set up. So I'm thinking about making the 8 foot this way, 4 foot, and then 8 foot like this. And we're just gonna go straight that way. Okay, that's what we're doing. Now it doesn't have to be into a stud, guys. It just has to go into the drywall. So we'll do one here. So once you get one already in, I use this one to kind of help me guide where the next one's gonna be. So I'll kind of put the light somewhat in the fixture, and I'm gonna have this guide me as far as, because you'll feel whether it's straight or not, and you can see it as well. So plug it in. And clip it into the fixture. And we just continue on. We'll do one more across and then come back. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a light fixture for a workbench using the old existing lamp that we just removed from the ceiling, using the switch that came in the box. I want to unwrap one of our switches here. We are going to cut this section off. So just cut this section off like so. Don't need this. And we're going to need to get a razor blade, and this is nice and slow, just lightly around in a circle to expose our wires. Wire stripper, strip this back, strip our. So we're not gonna need the ground no more, so we can actually remove this ground wire. We can throw this away, and all we're gonna need is the black and the white, and you guessed it, black and white, and that's all there is to it. Grab some of our Tesla tape here. This is some real nice electrical tape, guys. It's like a felt. There. Now, get our connector, plug it in, and cool. The way I hung mine up, guys, is I went ahead and bought some of these eye bolts, and basically what I did was I used these through here, and this kind of served as a hook for me to grab on top and hang it up and mount it. All right, guys, so the lights are in and they look killer. These things are amazing, guys. You guys are gonna love these lights. Not only that, but people who come into your garage are always gonna be surprised and amazed on how well they light up the garage. I'm gonna put all these products, and especially the lights, on where I got them. I got these off of Amazon, so I'll put them in the links in the description below, where you can get yours as well. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up for me. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button for me, and we'll see you guys on the next one.